Hi, hello, and welcome to everyone. In this lesson, you are going to learn about C++ commands. But what is commands? Commands are used to explain code. It makes more readable and understandable to fellow programmers and readers. In other words, commands are used to documentation for programmers. Commands can be placed anywhere in the program, which means before the statement, after the statement, and within the statement. When program execution, comments are ignored by compiler and IDE so that we can include any type or any combination of comments. There is no restriction because comments are completely ignored. We can also comment lines of code in a program to ignore those lines during execution. In C++, there are two types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. Everything after single line two forward slashes on the same line is considered as a command. It is an example of single line command. Multi-line commands start with forward slash, an asterisk, and end with an asterisk for, for forward slash. Everything between forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash is considered as a command, although if it spans multiple lines. That is why it is called as multi-line command. It is an example of multi-line command.